Right, this is Ballad of the Bird Dog. 11 December, side by side, two birds of a feather in a bench seat ride with a windshield sunrise. It's a ballad of the bird dog. We've crossed these plains, low and high, where lonesome trains, coyotes cry, out here the covey hides. It's a ballad of the bird dog. The sun's leaning heavy on the fence line. There's a gun at the ready and a nose to the sky. Wind's right at creekside. It's the ballad of the bird dog. Feathers fly. It's the ballad of the bird dog. Whoa, whoa. Head on home when it comes time. I'll thank God for this friend of mine, the ties that bind a boy to his bird dog. It's a simple life, ballad of the bird dog. Loving you blind, I'll always be a bird dog.